All roofs need to be waterproofed properly. Because of the nature of things, roof and everything else on earth will perish after time. Water will enter the roof and it will start to rust if not protected well. Timber will start to rot and mold to grow. It not will lead to medical issues for the occupants and have financial consequences. This reasonably maintained zinc roof on this property will be easy for the work crew to properly clean and do waterproofing and painting on it. The zinc roof needed minor repair work on it. Waterproofing needs to be patched up, after which it can be properly painted for protection. When a roof is left for too long without any maintenance, it will beyond repair and replacement of the entire roof be inevitable. Work was done. The roof was cleaned of all dust and debris with a high-pressure hose. Care was taken that all loose material was removed from it. Then followed the removing of all redundant waterproofing. Then it was time to seal the roof with fresh waterproofing, which will ensure that no water can penetrate the roof. The roof then was painted with quality UV-resistant paint. After the work was completed, the roof ensures the occupants with protection against the elements. The material and workmanship is guaranteed by Tremco for 5 years. This newly repaired, waterproofed and painted roof will now serve its the purpose, a cover against the weather, and also add aesthetic value to the property. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 07327082270.